In today's video, you will learn how to add trend lines in trading charts on Robinhood. Adding trend lines is a useful way to visually analyze price movements and identify possible patterns in a stock's performance. It helps you better understand how a stock has been moving over time by connecting key points on the chart. This can be helpful when observing support and resistance levels or overall direction, although it should always be used as a visual tool rather than a prediction method. To begin, open the chart of the stock you want to analyze. Once you are viewing the price chart, look for the drawing or line tool at the top of the screen. This tool contains different options for adding lines and shapes to your chart. Among these options, select the basic trend line tool. While there are more advanced drawing tools available, the simple trend line is enough for basic chart analysis. After selecting the tool, you can start placing your trend line on the chart. Click on a point where you want the line to begin, typically where you see a clear price reaction or turning point. Then drag the line across the chart to another area where the price has reacted again. The goal is to connect multiple points of contact where the price appears to respect a certain direction or boundary. Once you are satisfied with the placement, you can adjust the line to better fit the chart structure. Double-click the line to activate it, then fine-tune its position so it aligns more accurately with the price movement. For example, you may notice that the price has bounced off the line multiple times, which can help confirm the trend direction visually. After placing your trend line, you can zoom in or zoom out on the chart to get a better perspective. Zooming in allows you to see detailed price movement, while zooming out helps you understand the broader trend over a longer period. This flexibility makes it easier to analyze how strong or consistent the trend is. And that is how you add trend lines to stock charts for basic technical analysis.